In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to change the background color in CapCut. It's super simple, so let's get started. First things first, import your video. Drag it to the timeline like this. Now, once you have dragged it to your timeline, copy the clip and paste it. Once you have pasted, go to your bottom clip and right click on it and select deactivate clip. Now select this clip. Once you have selected it, go to basic, go to remove busy. From here select auto removal. Once you have auto removed it, now what you have to do is come down to the bottom clip to activate it by clicking on activate clip. Once you have clicked on the activate clip, go back to basic and scroll down and click on here. You can see color right here. Click on color. From here choose the color you want to add on your video. Let me select this one. The color has been added to your video. Once you have choose the color, click on mask and select rectangle from here. Once you have added the rectangle mask, you can adjust it like this and click on this right here. Once you have clicked on this, adjust its position like this. As you can see, your background color has been changed to white. Let's preview the video. And that's it. Changing the background color in CapCut is that easy. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick editing tips. Thank you for watching.